Hi, I'm Laurent from thunderlaser. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be doing a side-by-side comparison of CO2 and fiber laser, comparing their efficiency while cutting 5 different materials with our Titan Pro machine.
Let's start with PVC and PET film. As you can see, the CO2 laser is better suited for these two materials, delivering fantastic results.
Unlike the previous test, the fiber laser delivers much better results here. The results are just flawless. Now, let's see how the fiber laser performs on anodized aluminum and Barley paper. Unlike the previous test, the fiber laser delivers much better results here. The results are just flawless. Nitrile rubber handles both CO2 and fiber laser with excellent results. The Titan Pro truly shines here.
As you can see, the Titan Pro effortlessly handles a variety of materials such as this, with each laser source perfectly suited to its specific material. To give you a clearer picture, here is a table summarizing our test on 16 different materials, showing how both the CO2 and fiber laser perform. And don't forget, our application lab and technical team are always available to test any material you need, customized according to your requirement. So just reach out and we will be happy to assist. If you're ready to take your cutting and engraving to the next level, click the links below to get your very own Titan Pro today. And stay tuned. In our upcoming video, we will dive into the real-life application done with the Titan Pro series, showcasing how it performs in various industries. Don't miss out and see you soon, guys.